Dee Ivins, and I just want to tell you a little bit about Scenic City Chiropractor. I've been a dental hygienist this is my 25th year, and as soon as I started school, I was pretty much in pain almost every day that I worked. And I guess over the years I've been a little bit skeptical of chiropractor, just to be honest, as I've seen coworkers and friends come in and out of offices. And last year, the girl that I worked with actually had her 4th back surgery and went to the chiropractor probably 3 times a week, and I saw the pain that she was in, and probably added to my skepticism a little bit. And then one day, one of my patients mentioned to me that she had neck pain and that her chiropractor had helped that neck pain go away, which was extremely intriguing to me since that's the pain that I have every day. And so I asked her where she went, and she told me that it was Scenic City Chiropractor. So I thought I would give them a try, because last year I went to the chiropractor probably 2 or 3 times a week and still was in pain, and probably in more pain than when I was going just as needed, maybe once a month or every other month. So I came to Scenic City Chiropractor, and from the time you walk in the door and the 2 blonde beauties that sit at the front desk to Dr. Christy and her dad, they have taken the best care of me, and I cannot recommend them more highly. The first time that I came, I had x-rays and exam, and then the next appointment, Dr. Christy sat down at length with me and explained to me what was going on with my neck and my back. And I had the term I just went blank on what it's called, that was going on in my neck. I'd had it mentioned to me before, but no one had ever explained to me what that meant and that it could actually be reversed. And so she sat down and talked to me, I want to say it was probably an hour, and showed me my x-rays, which I look at x-rays on a daily basis, and I know they're of teeth and not of backs and necks, but what she explained to me made complete sense. And that as she showed me the discs in my neck and how I had bone spurs, and that this was something she felt like that could be reversed, it really, for the first time, I guess, gave me hope that maybe I wouldn't have to be in pain. And as she sat down with me and explained the course of treatment that she wanted to take, I went home and discussed it with my husband, and have never regretted the not only investment that we've made, but the time that we've spent here, because I can honestly say for the first time in 25 years, I'm not in pain every day. And that is an amazing thing that I never thought I would be able to say, that I could still work full-time as a dental hygienist, because in our career, and dentists also, we have a lot of, as we're holding our arms up and leaning over patients all day, just a lot of chronic neck and back pain. So I have begun to excitedly refer my patients and coworkers to this office, and would, without hesitation, at least you should give them a try and let them take the x-rays, sit down and talk to you about what's going on with your neck and your back. And the thing that I think, if you ask me what was different about this office, and not only the staff, but the atlas, I had never had that explained to me, and it made complete sense when she explained to me, if that bone in your neck is not straight and level, the rest of the spine will not keep adjustment, which is what I think was happening. All the visits that I was going to so many times last year, I would feel good for a day maybe, but then in a couple days my back was out of place again, and I could tell. And I think that probably makes the most sense in the way that they adjust, that's the first thing they check. And then also, when they do adjustments, they're not pressing on me, which was always hard for me to actually relax and let the adjustment happen, because there was a lot of force being pressed down on my spine. And they use an activator tool, which is so much more, you have so much more ability to relax and actually have the adjustment and to get your spine in the correct order. So I want to thank them, and I really appreciate the staff and all the time and the care that they take with their patients.